Hi everyone! If your sweater is too big and doesn't fit as well as it used to, don't throw it away or get it altered. In this video, I'll share a simple way to adjust a loose sweater at home, making it fit better and look nicer without using a sewing machine. Let's get started. First, turn the sweater inside out and lay it flat on a table. Take a moment to smooth it out with your hands so there are no wrinkles. Working on a flat surface will make everything easier and more accurate, especially if you enjoy slow and careful sewing. On the body of the sweater, mark one point about 9 to 10 centimeters from the edge. From the shoulder area, draw a straight line going downward. This line shows the part where we will make the sweater smaller. You can adjust the width of this line depending on your body shape. If you like a looser fit, keep it wider. If you want a slimmer look, make it a bit narrower. Next, we measure the width of the sleeve. Take the measurement from the shoulder down to the underarm. On the straight line we just drew, measure a length equal to the sleeve width and mark that point. From this mark, draw a horizontal line going toward the sleeve. Now take your scissors and carefully cut away the extra fabric along the marked lines. Cut slowly and follow the lines closely. After cutting, use a few pins to hold the cut edges together. This helps keep the fabric from moving while we work. Now move to the other side of the sweater body. We repeat the same steps here. Measure, mark the lines, and cut away the extra sweater fabric. Take your time so both sides look even. Next, we begin sewing the edges together. Use a thread that matches the color of the sweater. Sew simple stitches close to the edge of the fabric. There is no need for any complicated stitches. This simple stitch is strong enough as long as you sew evenly and keep the stitches small and neat. By the way, where are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. We would love to connect with you. Now, when you reach the end of the seam, tie a firm knot in the thread. Cut off the extra thread. At this point, the two fabric edges are already joined together. However, to make it stronger, we add one more step. We will sew an overcast stitch along the edge. This stitch helps prevent the knit fabric from stretching out or fraying. It also helps your sweater last longer. Even when you put it into the washing machine, you will not need to worry about the seam coming apart. Finish the overcast stitch with a small and secure knot, then cut off the extra thread. Next, we move to the remaining side of the sweater body. Here, we sew in the same way as before. The steps are exactly the same. When your sweater feels too big, how do you usually fix it? Please share your tips with us so we can all learn together. Your method might even be faster than ours, and I would be very happy to learn more useful ideas from you. Now the sweater is completely sewn. Turn it right side out and let us look at the result together. The body of the sweater now looks much neater. The shape is cleaner and more fitted. It looks just like a new sweater. When you wear it, it no longer feels loose and baggy. Everything fits nicely and comfortably. With just a few simple steps and 2 basic stitches, we can fix a sweater at home without using a sewing machine at all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who enjoys sewing or fixing clothes at home. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you will not miss our next videos. We will continue to share more simple sewing tips that anyone can do, even without a sewing machine. If you have any questions or would like to see a specific sewing topic in the future, feel free to leave a comment below. We love reading your messages and learning from your experience as well. Thank you again for watching. Take care, enjoy your sewing, and I will see you in the next video.